refresh option missing on your Windows 11 PC. If you want to refresh your hard disk drive, then you can't find refresh option on your hard disk drive. Okay, let's fix it. Go to my computer. You can see here no refresh option. If I open any hard disk drive, right click here, no refresh option. Okay, let's fix it. Now right click here once again and click show more option. Here you can refresh it. Okay, then click this key. This is refresh key with Windows 11, just like Chrome web browser or any web browser. In this way you can refresh your hard drive, my computer easily on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video.